Question 16. Write the number that is 5 less than 10 million. Well, remember, a million has got 6 zeros on it. Okay, million must have 6 zeros. So 10 million would be written like this. 10 followed by 6 zeros. Okay, so there's 10 million. Now 5 less than that means we're going to subtract 5. So I'm literally going to write this as a column method. So subtract 5. Now 5 would have to go in the units column all the way over there. Okay, I'm just going to set it up like a column method. So let's have a look what we've got to do. So 0 take away 5, well obviously we can't do that, so we'd have to borrow from this column, but you can't borrow from a 0, so you can't borrow from there, you can't borrow from here, you can't borrow from this 0, nor that one, nor that one, nor that one. The only place you can borrow from is this 1. So if we cross out the 1 and turn that into a 0, the one we borrowed makes this 0 into 10. But obviously that's no use because we need to be able to do this 0 here, take away the 5, we can't do it. So we cross out this 10 and it becomes a 9, and the one we borrowed goes here. This now makes 10. Cross out this 10 and it becomes a 9, and the one we borrowed turns the next 0 into 10. We can borrow one from this 10, so that becomes 9, and the one we borrowed makes this 0 into 10. Cross out this 10 and it becomes 9, and the one you borrowed makes this into 10. Cross out this 10 and it becomes 9, and the one you borrowed makes this into 10. Cross out this 10 and it becomes 9, and the one you borrowed makes this 0 here, which is the one we're interested in, into 10. Now this isn't 0 anymore, this is 10, so we can actually do it. So 10 take away 5 is 5, and now we've got a 9 up here. 9 take away nothing, well there's nothing here, so 9 take nothing is 9. This 9 take nothing is still 9. 9 take nothing is 9. 9 take nothing is 9. 9 take nothing is 9. And 9 take nothing is 9. Here, this is now a 0. It's no, not a 1 anymore, it's just a 0. So this would be a 0 at the front here. Okay? Finally, to finish it off, remember, it's always easy to read a number if you put commas into it. So to put your commas in, you count every 3 digits from the end of the number and put a comma. So 1, 2, 3, comma, then another 3, 1, 2, 3, comma. And what this does is it makes it easy to read. So you could actually just get away with writing this answer in here now. So 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 5, and put your commas in. But if you wanted to be able to read the number, really you do need to be able to read it. The number in front of this first comma is your millions, and the number between the first and second comma is your thousands. So basically what you've got is 9,999,995. So the answer is 9,999,995. Second part of the question, write the number 100,000 less than 6 million. We're going to do a similar thing again. So 6 million would be 6 with 6 zeros. And we need 100,000 less. Well, 100,000 will be 100 with 3 zeros to make it into 100,000. Exactly the same again. We're going to do a column method. So here we go. 0 take 0 is 0. 0 take 0 is 0 again. 0 take 0 is 0. 0 take 0 is 0. 0 take 0 is 0. 0 take away 1. We can't do it. So we've got to borrow from the 6. Borrow from the 6 and it becomes a 5. And the one we borrowed goes here with this 0 to make that into 10. 10 take away 1 is 9. And we've got a 5 here on the end. 5 take away nothing is 5. Remember to put your commas in. Okay, so it would be acceptable to just write this in now without the commas, but really we need to be able to read this number. So it goes 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma. So again, if you put it in your answer, your commas will go there and there. And so this bit is your millions, okay, and this bit is your thousands. So what you've actually got there is 5,900,000. And that's the answer to the question. Just remember, you just literally read this number here, which is 5, and put millions on the end of it, so 5 millions. Read this number here, which is 900, and put thousands on the end of it, so it's 5 millions, 900 thousands, and then this bit, you don't need to say anything because they're all zeros.